My name is Roderick, my head coach of William Knibb. My coaching style, we enjoy setting goals. It's like we said, weekly goals, monthly goals, early season goal like January, mid-season goal. It's always about setting goals basically and trying to achieve those goals. Those small goals would lead into big goals. Well, the readiness of a team, we're getting there. It's preparation and we stride by stride, day by day. I know they're aiming at a top 10, but what we're trying to do is like individually just get some person to the final and just take it step by step. After the hurricane, we have to, a number of persons actually get affected. You're talking about some persons that who have lost home and maybe close, our number of youth lost close.
I think he's a very amazing coach, fantastic.
It's like a father to me.
Something that my coach has taught me is don't listen to fear and don't listen to the weakness in your mind.
It's one of the best coaches in the world to me. He's hard sometimes, you know, tough love.
He's going to motivate you when you need motivation.
He's kind of rough sometimes, but you know, you want to get that roughness sometimes when, you know, you're not doing the best as you in terms of ability, because he's the one that really sees the true potential in you.